Hi kids, it's Gigi
And Pawpaw.
And Pawpaw. So today, to go along with that pork barbecue that we made, I hope that you guys watched that. If you haven't, please go back and watch it. With all the yucky weather, I just got all the stuff to make and bake and all that stuff. So I'm going to be making a very unconventional pie, and it's going to go in this pan. So here we have 2 cups of flour. I have 1.5 sticks of cold butter that I've already chopped up. Nice and small pea-like.
How much flour?
It's 2 cups of flour, 1.5 sticks of butter.
Okay.
And then I'm going to do about that much salt. Okay. I'll mix that up real quick. And then we're going to add...
She's preheated the oven at 350 degrees.
And I'm going to start, let's say I have a cup of ice water here. So I'm going to start with just under, I'm going to start about 1/4 cup. See how we go. See how it feels, looks, all that good stuff.
So you're making the crust now?
Yes, I'm making homemade pie crust.
Good.
So add a little bit more water. And let's see, we have flour, good butter, salt, and good cold water. So let's see, get in here and see how it feels with our hands, because you just really want this to come together. You don't want it to be soft and wet, but yet you don't want it to be too dry either. So let's see how she's feeling. A little bit more water. I guess it'll be right at about a good half a cup. So dump it out on my clean counter. And then I'm gonna show you guys how to make the best fudge pie that you all have ever put in your mouth. But first off, we have to get to the crust.
Is that what we're making?
Yes.
Good.
Okay, so now that we've worked up our dough, and you can see the little bits of butter that's still right there in it, we're just gonna take some regular flour and put it out on the counter. And I'll put this little guy over here. Flip it over again. Take our rolling pin, flour on it. We're gonna roll this out. And I wanna get this to a square because I'm making a square pie and not a round pie. So, we'll roll this out. Show you how it is.
All right, this is after you get it rolled out. And then she will...
And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put my pan on there. And I'm just going to, like I said, nothing I do is traditional, I guess. Just kind of do things the way I was taught.
They're done with love, that's all that matters.
That's right.
So you'll cut it around.
I didn't go to cooking school. I didn't go to baking school. I just was taught by a mother who loved to cook and bake. And so then we're going to flip this over like this. Put it into 4s. Like that. And we're going to come back over here in our pan. Fold this out. Put it like this.
And you got your pie dough.
There's your pie dough. And it feels wonderful. If you've ever made pie dough, it just kind of has its own little feel to it.
Yep.
And so we're just going to, I'm going to take my fingers and kind of just press in so that it forms and kind of goes up the side of the pan.
And you can make this same dough just like she done for like fried pies.
Yep.
You can make
Sure
it
can.
for numerous things.
Yep.
Yep.
And
We're going to make the pie filling. We'll be right back. What was you going to say, Gigi?
nothing, same.
All right.
Yep.
For our pie, Gigi's got 2 sticks of butter melting. And there's a homemade pie crust. So when she melts the butter, she's melting it on low to mid heat. That way it don't burn your butter.
Not to burn. And I'm also doubling this recipe.
So with this recipe, you can cut it in half for a regular, because this is a pretty good sized pan.
Yes, it is.
We've got our grandbabies coming over, and
Yep. Kids probably stop
kids
by.
will probably stop and eat a piece. So you can actually cut it down to half of this. So it's going to be 2 sticks of butter, 2 cups of sugar,
4 eggs.
4 eggs,
And I have 6 tablespoons of cocoa and 4 tablespoons of cornstarch.
yep,
And I'm gonna put a dash of salt in here.
dash of salt.
There you go. A little of the shoulder for luck. And there we go. So I'm gonna just kind of make this pie shell a little pretty. Just go in with your fingers and just kind of, there we go. And this pie was all of the ingredients were very, very cold when I first started. Because I kept everything I kept the butter and the flour after I grated my butter into my flour. I kept that in the freezer. So I'm gonna turn this up a little bit.
We're fixing to add and make the
Yep.
ingredients.
And you do want your butter a little bit warm to not, obviously you don't want it boiling or something like that.
So after it melts down,
I'm gonna swap to this, Papa.
turn your heat up a little.
Because here's the trick of it. You want your sugar to be able to melt. That's part of the key. Now, you're gonna find a lot of recipes out there, and 95+% of them says that you have to. The ingredients are canned milk, evaporated milk, all those types of things. I'm not a fan of that. What's that? Something in my sugar. There we go. There we
So you
go.
can use no milk?
No, sir, I do not.
No milk in our fudge pies.
Nope.
So give it a try both ways and let us know.
And I have been making this fudge pie for
Over 20 years, because I've been eating it for 20 years.
30 years. I've been making
Have
this
you?
pie for 30 years. Yes, sir.
And she learned this from her mother.
So here we go. Okay, so see how you can tell that everybody's getting along and everyone looks really happy here?
It's joining together.
Yep. So we're going to turn that off.
And then you turn the heat completely off.
Yep. And now I'm going to add my salt, my cornstarch,
And your cocoa.
and my cocoa, and
Use a glass dish. Don't use melamine because it won't stick like this.
because now this wants to be not very nice.
Oh, yeah.
That's okay. We'll make it work.
Oh, yeah.
It happens.
There you go.
Not a big deal. Okay, so now you just want to get
Wash them around.
everything.
And you can see it's starting to turn to heaven. That's beautiful.
Chocolate goodness, what this
Oh,
is.
boy. This is made with extra love.
I'd love to make these.
Papa extra loves it. We hope everyone's having a wonderful day.
Yes, we do.
Hope everyone stays safe during the winter weather coming. Please give us a like or follow.
Subscribe, please.
Subscribe.
We'd like to keep making these for you guys.
Comment.
Yes. I do like to add 1 egg at a time. And there's times when I bake or I cook and I don't always get my eggs out in time to let them sit. It honestly does make a difference, guys, in how especially in your baked goods, how they do come out if you do let your eggs rest. I don't mean that they have to be cracked in the bowl, but just let them sit out on the counter for an hour, if nothing else. 30 minutes is better than just straight out of the fridge, if you can help that. So, we have everybody, oh, my vanilla.
And then gonna add what?
2 teaspoons of vanilla.
This is the secret ingredient.
There we go.
2 teaspoons of vanilla. If you're cutting this in half, only use 1.
Yes.
Yeah.
It smells so good, doesn't it?
And you can also add nuts to this if you'd like.
You can. But you won't want to. Then again, you might. Okay, so everybody looks really happy here. I'm happy with the consistency. And so you can see how the sugar actually melted into the flour. And that's what we want to happen. So now we're going to pour this in our pie pan. I've never made it in this before, guys, so I wasn't really sure how this was going to turn out. Papa, can you take that for me, please?
I most certainly can.
Got it?
I got it.
You can just throw it in the sink if
Yes,
you would,
ma'am.
please. Thank you. And I'm going to grab this
That's
guy.
perfect.
I'm constantly forgetting to get...
That's perfect.
Okay. I normally do use the pie pans, and tonight I decided to try something different.
Yeah, plus you doubled the recipe.
I did. Now, you guys are going to know when this is done. When it is cracked on top.
Yeah, you bake it for how long, Gigi?
I believe it's 30 minutes.
Yeah. See,
have to double
it's on 350, so you'll cook it, what, 20, 30 minutes? Well, just keep an eye on it until it cracks.
Yep.
When it cracks across the top, you know it's done.
You know it's done.
Yep.
And that way,
And we'll show you when it gets done.
yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, kids.
Here we go.
It's been 35 minutes.
Exactly.
Exactly, on 350. See how it's cracking? How it's cracking alongside? She is done.
You see how the crust is?
Look at that. Brown.
You see how the crust pulled away from the pan just a little bit?
Absolutely. She looks beautiful.
Smells delicious.
Yep. Let it cool just a little bit, or you can go ahead and cut it and put it in some ice cream.
I would wait about 10-15 minutes before I cut it, put into ice cream. Also, if you guys make this into a pie shape, you're probably going to cook it about 25 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes.
Just watch it. Whenever it starts cracking, it's done.
Yep.
Just cut them ingredients in half, put it in a regular pie crust, and share it with your family.
It's always made with love, and we hope that you guys love it, and
we appreciate each and every one of you.
we do. Just please drop us a comment. Let us know what you guys want us to cook next, and we'll see you all soon.
Have a good day.
Love you.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye.